What's the meaning of blood? Blood. Blood.
Blood. Blood. Blood is a vital bodily fluid that circulates through veins and arteries, delivering oxygen and nutrients to all cells in the body while removing waste products. It is composed of red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, and platelets, each with their own unique functions. Blood plays a key role in regulating body temperature, pH levels, and immune responses. It also enables blood clotting, which is essential for preventing excessive bleeding from injuries. In addition, blood has cultural and symbolic significance in many societies and is often associated with life, death, sacrifice, and ancestry. Overall, blood is a complex and essential component of human biology and culture.